Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Vivid reports. We'll explore the distinct capabilities of each, helping you understand where they shine. Excel is a versatile spreadsheet program, while Vivid Reports is a specialized financial tool that often integrates with Excel. We'll look at their primary functions and how they can serve different business needs, guiding you toward the best choice for your specific data challenges. Excel is renowned for its incredible versatility, serving as a go-to tool for countless data tasks. It handles extensive data, allowing for millions of rows, and its robust formula engine enables complex calculations. You can easily create custom charts, graphs, and pivot tables for diverse analytical needs. Its widespread adoption and flexibility make it suitable for everything from simple lists to intricate financial models across many different sectors. Vivid Reports excels in financial management, automating crucial tasks like reporting, budgeting, and analysis. It integrates with over 50 different ERP systems, consolidating data efficiently. This tool transforms Excel into a secure financial portal, offering deep analysis features like drill down to transaction details. It significantly streamlines processes such as month-end close and budget creation, providing better insights for informed decision-making and reducing manual effort. Deciding between these tools depends on your specific needs. If you require a flexible, general-purpose tool for various data tasks, Excel is an excellent choice. However, for automating complex financial reporting, budgeting, and integrating with ERP systems, Vivid Reports offers specialized power. Often, the best solution involves using Vivid Reports to enhance Excel's capabilities, creating a powerful combination for comprehensive financial management and analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.